Today, I'll show you how to add a text note, rectangle, ellipse, and line in draw.io. First, open draw.io in your browser. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Open an existing diagram or create a new blank diagram. Once the editor opens, you will see the canvas in the middle of the screen. This is where you build your diagram. On the left side, you will see the Shapes panel. This panel contains basic shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, lines, and text. To add a rectangle, find the rectangle shape in the left panel. Click and drag the rectangle onto the canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners. To move it, click and drag it to another place on the page. To add text inside the rectangle, double-click the shape and start typing. Next, to add an ellipse, look for the circle or oval shape in the Shapes panel. Drag it onto the canvas. You can make it wider, taller, smaller, or larger by dragging the corners or sides. Double-click inside the ellipse if you want to add text. Now, to add a simple text note, double-click on an empty area of the canvas. A text box will appear. Type your note, label, or explanation. You can also drag a text shape from the left panel if you prefer. To change the text style, select the text box and use the options on the right side. You can change the font size, color, alignment, and other text settings. Now, to add a line, look at the left panel and choose a line or connector. Drag it onto the canvas. Another easy way is to click a shape, then drag one of the small blue arrows toward another shape. Draw.io will create a line between them. You can use lines to connect shapes, show direction, or explain relationships. If you want an arrow instead of a plain line, select the line and use the style options on the right side. You can choose the arrow style, line thickness, color, and shape. To keep your diagram neat, place your text notes close to the shapes they explain. Use rectangles for steps or blocks, ellipses for start and end points, and lines to connect everything together. When your diagram looks good, click File, then Save. So, to keep it simple, drag rectangles and ellipses from the left panel, double-click to add text, double-click the canvas for a note, and use lines or connectors to link your shapes. And that's how you add a text note, rectangle, ellipse, and line in draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.